Hello everyone. This is a self-care massage technique for our abdomen while lying in bed. First, touch your belly. Does it feel a bit cold? Alright, let's begin the abdominal kneading technique. First, trace upwards along our ribs. At the intersection of the ribs, this point is called the Zhongting point. Push down from there. Push to our lower abdomen. Push 36 times. Alright. After 36 pushes, along the sides where the meridian is, push from both sides towards our lower abdomen. Do this movement 36 times. You can do this when you wake up in the morning, or before going to sleep at night. For every degree the abdominal temperature rises, all the functions of our body get enhanced. Next, use both hands to knead our belly. Knead from the right side to the left 36 times. This is one of the actions everyone can do every morning after waking up. Alright, after kneading 36 times, let's move on to the next movement. Trace along our intestines, around the navel area, which is where the small intestine is, knead in circles, from the right side to the left. Use a stacking hand method to knead together. When kneading, you might feel a bit of a bloated, sour sensation. Relax your body. Don't puff out your belly, stay relaxed. Knead clockwise from the right to the left in 3 circles. You'll feel a kind of bloated sensation. After kneading for 3 circles, the previous massage was for the small intestine area. Now trace along our large intestine. From the right to the left, knead in another 3 circles. Starting from the outer side, to where our large intestine turns. The ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon. Down to the rectum. You can use both hands, or just one hand to knead. Follow the direction of the large intestine. Focus a bit more when kneading the turn of the colon. This turn is like the drain of our body, with lots of waste and toxins. Give it special attention when kneading. Alright, after 3 circles, knead the belly counterclockwise with both hands. Knead 36 times. Afterwards, pat the inguinal area. Again, pat 36 times. Some might ask, why always 36 times? Because 36 is a commonly used count in massage. After the 36 pats, touch your belly again. Does it feel warmer now? That's it for today's tutorial. If you like it, remember to give a thumbs up and follow. Move with me every day. Let's keep our bodies in great shape.